At ganoon na rin po, nagpapasalamat na rin po. Talaga eh, yung time na yan eh, kahit sino, likod siya, hindi naman eh.
Hi, I'm Norberto de Beratismo and I'm show you the difference of spinning back kick and turning side. They have a difference between of that because of fighting stance and fighting positions. And spinning back kick, mostly the karate, kickboxing, and mixed martial art are using the spinning back kick. Spinning back kick, the face to the opponent, straight your body, and these stances of your foot is 50% weight, 50% here, ready to kick. That's why stances like that. Spinning back kick, you need to twist this straight to your opponent and 180 degrees your body, then kick. That's spinning back kick. See. Turning side is using by Taekwondo player. They have the difference because of stances. Spinning it like this, but turning side is like this, straight, straight. You facing then and 180 degrees for the kick. That's a turning side, straight. Unlike that, spinning back kick is facing there, twist and turning side. Spinning back kick and turning sides are almost the same, but for me, in my experience as a black belt karate, this is a blind shot or no look shot. Yeah, it's a no look shot. When you train this a long time, you see this. Turning side. Spinning back kick. Unlike the turning sides, straight spinning back kicks like this, basic. That spinning back kick. Double turning side, left and right foot. Hey. 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 Left and right foot using by the moving target. Moving target is using for a perfect shot or a distance. Turning side, left and right foot by moving target. Turning side. Left. Karate time as a student, we have no punching bag only at the gym because it's very expensive on our time. We have no money to buy that. That's why only attire, because we have a business, family business sa vulcanizing. Only we have attire. Yeah, that's only attire. It's only attire, and that's I have, and that's my secrets to learn the kicking and punching. Only this style, especially at the turning side or spinning back kick. This is only the target. That is only the target. No? If you are a beginner or a student, beginner to learn the spinning back kick or turning side, they have a step by step. First, the perfect target and the perfect delivery of your body. If you get the target, the second one, speed. And if you practice and practice speed and the target, the third one is power. And after all, making all that, practice and practice without looking your target. Slow. Slow. Next, speed. Then power. That's all you have. If you have a perfect target, the speed, the power, try to practice without loop. It's not impossible, because we can make it after 20 years. Yeah, this after 21 years, it's very long time not to use this my kimono. Jumping turning side or jumping spinning back kick is using in the close distance. You need only step back. Sometimes you can do it when your opponent is ready to deliver a kick. You also delivered counter spinning, jumping, spinning back kick or